If money suddenly disappeared from your life today, I'm here to tell you that you shouldn't break down first, you should breathe first, because panic is expensive, but clarity is always free. There was a time when money vanished from my life so quickly, it felt like someone pulled the floor out from under me. It was the fall of 2022, heading into the beginning of 2023. I had a small business that I built from the ground up. I had the business for 9 years. It supported me from the very beginning until suddenly it didn't. By the spring of 2023, the business was gone. I had no income coming in, not slowly, not with warning, just gone. And because I never imagined something like that could happen, I had no plan. I ran through my savings very quickly. I had no cushion, and I didn't even realize I was already inside a storm. My mind didn't panic, but it also didn't see the truth. I just kept doing what I always did, making calls, looking for contracts, and trying to save a business that was already gone. I just didn't know it yet. Sometimes survival looks like panic, and sometimes survival looks like repeating old behaviors, because we don't yet understand that things have changed. What helped me survive was the moment I finally realized this wasn't a slow season. This was a storm. It was the kind of storm that you can't reason with, and it's the kind of storm that can't be rushed through. So, because I didn't know what kind of storm I was in, or how long it would last, or even what kind of shelter I needed, sometimes the storm ended up beating me up pretty badly. But then a voice rose up inside me and it said, "You may not understand the storm, but you do understand survival." So I reached back into my childhood. Growing up low income, some would call it poor, but I didn't know we were poor. I just called it life. Back then, I learned how to stretch $1 at the grocery store, how to make meals from almost nothing, how to stretch $1, how to keep the lights on, how to keep my mental health in alignment so that I can keep going. Those skills became my shelter when everything else disappeared, because when the storm erases what you build, sometimes the only tools left are the ones you picked up before you even knew you were learning. If someone told me today, "I just lost my job, I don't know what to do," I would tell them this: stay calm. Today is not your planning day. Today is your breathing day. Pick up your kids, help with homework, make dinner, tuck them in, keep the rhythm of life going, even when nothing feels normal, and pray to your higher power for clarity on your situation. Tomorrow, you regroup. But today, you protect your nervous system, you let your spirit land again. Tomorrow, you begin the plan. Look for jobs, not in desperation, but in exploration. You are not begging, you are gathering options. Then, at some point, you must face the budget. The bills still need to be paid, so I advise facing them head on by coming up with a plan of action. Not all at once, not in fear, but piece by piece. Maybe with a friend or a spouse beside you. Maybe with tears, but with honesty, because clarity protects you from the avalanche. And if you want a video on how you can face your budget head on and keep your lights on, so to speak, leave a comment below in the comment section about that particular subject, and I will make a video for that too. And here's what most people never realize. Some people lose a job and bounce back fast. Other people search for months. Both are survivable, but each need a different strategy. And if you want a video on how to survive both, I'll make that next. Just ask for it in the comment section below. Here's the secret most people never learn. Growing up low income leaves you with one of the greatest survival toolkits on earth. If you grew up in poverty and you were paying attention, you would have realized that growing up poor is full of hidden strengths and gems. Growing up poor, you learn how to outthink scarcity. You learn how to make yourself and the ones you love feel safe even when money isn't. You learn how to create enough when enough is not even visible or available to you. When money disappears, clarity, discipline, and hope become the new currency. You are allowed to feel fear, but you are not required to lose your mind. There is still time, there is still strategy, there is still you. And as long as there is you, there is still a way. With that being said, please like and subscribe for more helpful content like this, and be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below with your words of affirmation. It might be exactly what someone needed to hear today. Thank you, and remember, you will weather and survive this storm.